Hi Hillary, I'm going to show you how to input your grades for the SLO and how to do your end of year checkpoint. So you're going to go to the employee portal and go to performance review system and you enter your username and password. And then you go up to the top here where it says my performance. And the first thing you need to do is go to the SLO roster. And here's where you're going to add all of your students that you had during the time that we taught the SLO, like in February. So if you got new students after February, you don't include them in this list. So you can search them by their name. I just do first and last name. So let's hit the little search, and then you click on their name and it adds them to your list. So you add all of your students to your list. Once that's done, you have to put in what they got on the pretest, what their target was. So our student learning objectives target was 20% growth or 80% mastery. So basically you're going to take their pretest score, add 20%, and then put in their post-test score. And it will automatically tell you on the right side if they met the target or not. So you do that for all of your students. And then at the bottom, you're going to hit save. And once you hit save, it will tell you how many points you get on the rubric. If all your students met their objective, you'll get 4 out of 4 points, which is what you want. Then once this is done, you're going to go to end of year checkpoint. And all of these questions are about the student learning objective for the end of year checkpoint. So I'm going to include a Word document so that I'm going to send it to you so you can see my responses and just kind of edit them to match your numbers and kind of what your class needed for the instructional period. And as you're working on it, you can hit save, and then once you're done with this part, you can hit submit, and it just says saved again, but I think it's submitted. So that's it for your SLO. The one more thing you need to do before Dustin meets with you to do your evaluation is this data points section. So you're going to click on data points. I already did mine, so you'll see. But basically, it's letting us pick data points from our school based on different surveys and AZ Merit scores from last year. So to get the highest score of a 4, you're going to want to choose this one, the 4.08, the 58, and the 58. And then once you choose those 3, you hit save up here, and then it will tell you your score for highly effective. So everyone in the school has the same numbers. So just choose these 3 and then hit save and you're good to go. And that should be it. And then you should be ready to meet with Dustin for your final evaluation. Hopefully that was helpful. Bye.